In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit form fields in HubSpot. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your HubSpot account and head to the Forms area. This is usually found under Marketing, then Forms. In older versions, you might see Marketing, Lead Capture, then Forms. This is where all your lead capture forms live and where you'll make changes that affect how visitors interact with your site. Next, pick the form you want to update. Hover over the form in the list and click Actions, then Edit. If you're starting from scratch, click Create a new form and pick a template that fits your goals. Take a moment here to make sure you're editing the right form, especially if you have multiple versions for different campaigns. Once the form editor opens, you'll see a live preview of the form. Click the field you want to modify right in that preview. When you click a field, the left panel will display customization options. The first option you'll encounter is the label. This is the visible name of the field on the form, so make it clear and user-friendly. Use language that matches the tone of your brand and is easy to understand. You'll also find options to make the field required or hidden. Toggle required to force a response before someone can submit the form. Use required fields sparingly to avoid friction. Hidden fields won't appear to visitors but still collect data. Handy for tracking campaign source or session info. Use help text and placeholder text to guide users. Help text appears beneath the field and is great for brief instructions. Placeholder text appears inside the field as faint sample text. It's useful for showing format examples like MMDDYYY or company.com email. If the field is a drop-down, multiple choice, or checkbox, edit the field options to add, remove, or change choices. You can also set a default option if you want a particular choice pre-selected. Keep options concise and mutually exclusive where possible to improve data quality. To add more fields, click. Add another form field and choose the property to include. Rearranging fields is intuitive. Simply click and drag a field in the preview to change its order. You can also drag fields side by side to create a two-column layout for a cleaner look. When you've finished editing, click Review and Update or Publish in the top right corner to make your changes live. Before you publish, quickly review for typos, required field logic, and mobile layout. That's all there is to it. With these adjustments, your forms will be clearer for visitors and better at collecting the data you need.